State whether the following statement is true or false. All rectangles are parallelograms. So here is our rectangle where the upper side is parallel to this side and the left side is parallel to the right side. So all rectangles are parallelogram. It is true. Number 2, 2m times 3m equal to 5m. It is a false statement. Or 15 is a prime number, which obviously it is not a prime number, so it is a false statement because it can be divided with 3. Okay, for B, write down the converse of the following implication and state the converse is true or false. So the statement, if x is a factor of 12, then x is a factor of 60. So the converse will be if x is a factor of 60, then x is a factor of 12. Okay, if x is a factor of 60, then x is a factor of 12. But the statement, if x is a factor of 12, x is a factor of 60, it is true. But the converse of the statement is false. Okay, for question C, write down the premise 2 to complete the following argument. So, premise 1, if radius of circle is 8 cm, then the circumference of the circle is 16 pi. While the conclusion state that the radius of the circle is not 8 cm. So, back to the premise 1, saying that if the radius of the circle is 8 cm, the circumference of the circle is 16 pi. But in the conclusion, it stated that the radius of the circle is not 8 cm. So, the circumference will never be 16 pi. And you will write it as the circumference of the circle is not 16 pi.